tuner to pair a mobile, any screen. First of all, gosh, I don't know which camera's working, but so we'll make sure Bluetooth's on. Then we click phone, find telephone, searching for mobile phone with Bluetooth hands-free profile. Bluetooth function must be activated on the mobile, which it is. Taking its time. Barry's iPhone 10, some PCM, so click on there, and it says please confirm key. Yep, pair. That's it, connected. I don't want it to allow my contacts and favorites to sync, but you will, so I probably won't be using the car again. Now, the other thing you can, that's it anyway. That's how to connect your phone.